Ever get X is not defined when X is right there? That's not a typo. That's scope. Today, we crack open how JavaScript actually stores your variables, and why var, let, and const aren't the same thing. 3 things to lock in. 1. How JavaScript hands out memory. 2. The 3 types of scope: global, local, and block. 3. When to use var, let, and const. Miss this, and every bug looks like magic. Global versus local. Anything outside a function lives in the global context. Every function can see it. Anything inside a function is local. Nobody outside can touch it. That's why Calc Perimeter can use its own height and width without stepping on yours. New in modern JavaScript, block scope. Anything inside curly braces, worse, an if, a for loop, a while, creates its own little bubble. A variable born in that bubble dies with that bubble. That's how you can have 2x variables that never fight. When JavaScript needs a variable, it climbs the scope chain. Inner function first. Doesn't find it? Check the outer function. Still nothing? Check global. That climb is why first, second, and global all see each other. But only one direction, outward. Now, hoisting. Before your code runs, JavaScript scans the file and lifts every var and every function to the top. That's why you can call greeting before you write it. It's already in memory, waiting. But let and const, hoisted but not initialized. Touch them before their line runs and you get reference error, not defined. That's not a bug. That's the language protecting you from yourself. Var. Old school. Global or function scope only. No block scope. You can redeclare it, reassign it, break it however you want. Which is exactly why we don't use it anymore. Let. Global, local, and block scope. You can reassign the value, but you can't redeclare in the same scope. Predictable. Safe. This is your default for values that change. Const. Same scope rules as let, but the value is locked. Try to reassign it, and JavaScript throws a type error. Use const for anything that shouldn't move. Tax rates, config, API URLs. So the rule of thumb, const by default. Let when it needs to change. Var, almost never. If scope just clicked for you, drop the word scoped in the comments. Smash like. Subscribe. Next episode, we go deeper into closures, where scope gets really fun. See you there.